Thermodynamic. Next topic is topic 6.6. Here title is spontaneity. In case of spontaneity, three different type of this topic we will discuss here. तो what is spontaneous? Spontaneous का मतलब क्या होता है? Process in which no amount of external energy is required. उसको हम लोग spontaneous बोलते हैं. Clear? तो यहाँ पे we will discuss here first law of thermodynamics. देखो, the first law of thermodynamics tell us about the relationship between heat, it means Q, heat absorbed and work performed. Work मतलब W, work performed on or by a system. Again I am repeating, first law of thermodynamics tell us about the relationship between heat absorbed and work performed on or by system. It puts no restriction on the direction of heat flow. It puts no restriction on direction of heat flow. However, the flow of heat is unidirectional from higher temperature to lower temperature. According to first law of thermodynamics, here it will transfer from higher to lower. In fact, all naturally occurring process, whether chemical or physical, will tend to proceed spontaneously in one direction only. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Here we can say that if your process may be either we can say that physical or chemical, है ना? Here we can say that your process may be either physical or chemical. So this will be again means one direction only. For example, a gas expanding to fill the available volume, burning carbon in dioxygen giving carbon dioxide. ऐसा C plus O2 it will give us CO2. Here we can say that CO2 will be there. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ने क्या डिस्कस किया? Spontaneity. In case of spontaneity, here means no external amount of energy is required. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स मैंने बताया. तो फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स इज रिलेटेड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हीट एज वेल एज वी कैन से दैट वर्क इज देयर. क्लियर? नाउ इन सेम टॉपिक वी विल डिस्कस यूनिडायरेक्शनल चेंज विथ एग्जांपल. तो व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ यूनि? यूनि मतलब सिंगल होता है. तो हीट विल नॉट फ्लो, देखो, हीट विल नॉट फ्लो फ्रॉम colder body to warmer body on its own. Heat will not flow from colder body to warmer body on its own. The gas in container will not spontaneously contract into one corner, or CO2 will not form carbon and dioxygen spontaneously. Clear? Again I am repeating. The heat will not flow from colder body to warmer body on its own. The gas in container will not spontaneously contract into one corner, or CO2. Clear? Or CO2 will not form carbon and dioxygen spontaneously. These and many other spontaneously occurring changes show unidirectional change. Clear हुआ? तो this type of example will explain us. Here means uni मतलब single. So unidirectional change is there. Clear? And now concept of spontaneous process with example. Now we will discuss here in some concept of spontaneous process with example. पहला पैराग्राफ में फर्स्ट लॉ आया, स्टेटमेंट एंड डिसएडवांटेज. सेकंड में डायरेक्शन, है ना? थर्ड में concept of spontaneous process with example. So here spontaneous reaction is one which occur immediately. Spontaneous reaction is one which occur immediately when contract is made between the reactant. So take the combination of H2 and O2. Clear? What is spontaneous process? The spontaneous reaction is one which occur immediately, and when contract is made between the reactant, take the combination of H2 and O2 is there. Clear? Now these gases may be mixed. Which one? Oxygen and hydrogen. So these gases may be mixed at room temperature and left for many years without observing any perceptible change. Perceptible का मतलब observable होता है. Clear? Although the reaction is taking place between them, it is an extremely slow process. Clear? And it is called spontaneous reaction. Extremely slow, and this one is nothing but it is normally known as spontaneous reaction. So spontaneity means having the potential to proceed without the assistance of external agency. So what is meaning of spontaneity? So spontaneity is one type of process here where we can say that no external amount of energy is required. Clear? However, it does not tell about the rate of reaction. इसका drawback है. However, it does not tell about the rate of reaction or process. So another aspects of spontaneous reaction or process, as we see, is that these cannot reverse their direction on their own. So we may summarize it as follows. Clear हुआ? However, it does not tell about the rate of reaction. Rate मतलब speed. So another aspects of spontaneous reaction or process is, see, we see that these cannot reverse their direction on their own. So we may summarize it as follows. A spontaneous process, देखो definition है. A spontaneous process is an irreversible process and may only be reversed by some external agency. Spontaneous मतलब क्या है? Irreversible है and it can be reversed by some external agency. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Otherwise, these are we can say simple information related with respect to spontaneity. Now in case of spontaneity, three different type of this criteria will be there, or three different type of this area will be there. So out of these three area, we will discuss point A. तो point A क्या बताता है? Decrease in enthalpy, a criteria for spontaneity. Enthalpy मतलब क्या होता है? H. Decrease in enthalpy, a criteria for spontaneity. Clear? चलो, अब मैं ऐसा बोलूँ कि see, if we examine the phenomenon like flow of water downhill or fall of a stone onto the ground, पानी गिर रहा है या पत्थर गिर रहा है. Clear? We find that there is net decrease in potential energy in the direction of change. Potential energy का मतलब होता है U. Potential energy मतलब U. So by analogy, we may be tempted to state that a chemical reaction is spontaneous in given direction because decrease in energy has taken place as in the case of exothermic reaction. Clear? Decrease in energy. So decrease in energy is related with respect to exothermic reaction. In another way, we can say that change in energy, on the basis of change in energy, the two different type of reactions are, one we can say that exothermic and second one is endothermic. In case of exothermic reaction, we will include here combination of ammonia. It means formation of ammonia, that is Haber process. Correct? Now in topic number 6.6, spontaneity. मैंने बोला था here means some on the basis of temperature or energy. Here means two different type of reactions are. One is exothermic and second one is endothermic. So let example. Here example is number 1. The formation of ammonia. So 1/2 mole of nitrogen. 1/2 mole of nitrogen combined with 3/2 mole of hydrogen, then ammonia will form. And here means change in enthalpy at STP for reaction is minus 46.1 kilojoule per mole is there. Similarly, second reaction, half mole of hydrogen combined with half mole of chlorine, the HCl will form. And here change in enthalpy at STP will be minus 92.32. And here see again unit is kilojoule per mole is there. And third reaction, hydrogen will combine with oxygen, so water will form. And here energy will be minus 285.8 kilojoule per mole is there. In all these three reactions, Sign of delta H will be negative. Therefore, type of reaction will be exothermic. Now, the decrease in enthalpy in passing from reactant to product may be shown for any exothermic reaction on an enthalpy diagram as shown in figure 6.10a. ये A. Clear? So this is for exothermic. See, this is enthalpy of product, this is enthalpy of reactant. दोनों के बीच का जो डिफरेंस आता है that is delta R H is there. So here graph of reaction coordinate versus enthalpy is drawn. So this is graph of exothermic reaction. Clear? Now similarly see, so thus the postulates that driving force for any chemical reaction may be due to the decrease in energy. Due to the decrease in energy sound reasonable as the basis of evidence so far. Clear work in. Now we will take another example, which is we can say that example of endothermic. So now let us examine the following reaction. यहाँ पे half mole of nitrogen, oxygen, NO2 will form and delta RH standard plus 33.2. Again, here is what will happen? So kilojoule per mole is there. Similarly, second example, graphite, sulfur, carbon disulfide. The delta RH standard is plus 128.5 kilojoule per mole is there. Clear? These reactant, though endothermic, so these reaction, though it is endothermic, are spontaneous. The increase in enthalpy may be represented in figure 6.10b. You see, this is, we can say that figure for endothermic. Figure B is example or figure related with endothermic. देखो यहाँ पे ये reactant है, ये product है, delta RH. H stands for enthalpy. Clear? Therefore, see यहाँ पे compare करो graph को. Graph of exothermic as well as endothermic. Now, therefore, it becomes obvious that while decrease in enthalpy may be contributory factor, decrease in enthalpy may be contributory factor for spontaneity, but it is not true for all cases. In another way, we can say that spontaneity can be determined with the help of, here means sign of H, but it is not always, we can say that, true. So this is first parameter in case of spontaneity. Now we will discuss here in second parameter, here portion B. तो B में क्या आ जाएगा? Entropy and spontaneity both will come. In case of entropy and spontaneity, here we will discuss one thing, one phenomenon, that is diffusion. So diffusion with we can say that example. Diffusion with we can say that here is example. So what is entropy? Entropy is represented with the help of capital S. This is degree of randomness. Clear? Now let us consider diffusion of two gases into each other in a closed container which is isolated from the surrounding as shown in figure. देखो यहाँ पे एक फिगर है, ये जो ब्लू कलर है ना, ये पार्टीशन है. ब्लू कलर का क्या होता है? पार्टीशन. इन फिगर ए तो ब्लू पार्टीशन विल बी पुट. यहाँ पे टू डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ गैसेस, ये ब्लैक और ये ग्रीन वाला है. एंड इन दिस सेकंड फिगर इफ वी आर रिमूविंग दिस पार्टीशन, तो ऑटोमेटिकली डिफ्यूजन विल स्टार्ट बिटवीन दिस ग्रीन एंड देन आफ्टर ब्लैक gaseous particle. Clear? So now this figure will explain easily diffusion of two gases. Diffusion of two gases. So now two gases, say gas A and gas B, are represented by black dot and green dot respectively and separated by movable partition. Figure A is there. When the partition is withdrawn in figure B, the gases begin to diffuse. Here gases begin to diffuse into each other, and after a period of time diffusion will be complete. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Here whenever we are removing partition, so what will happen? Here diffusion will start automatically. Clear? So some other information related with respect to entropy we will discuss after this topic. Clear? दिस इज सेम टॉपिक, ये स्पॉन्टेनिटी में जो चल रहा था ना एंट्रोपी वाला, तो हम लोग ने देखो दो कंटेनर लिया था, क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं, उसी में सी। तो लेट अस एग्जामिन द प्रोसेस, which process, तो before partition if we were to pick up the gas molecule from left container, we would be sure that this will be molecule of gas A, and similarly if we were to pick up the gas molecule from right container, we would be sure that this will be molecule of gas B. Clear? Left hand side पे gas है, right hand side पे gas B will be there. But if you were to pick up molecule from container when partition is removed, so we are not sure whether the molecules picked are of gas A or gas B. We say that system has become less predictable or more chaotic. Clear? Whenever here we are putting obstacle between two gaseous molecule, then we can find out which one is gas A and which one is gas B. But after removal of, we can say that partition, here we are unable to find out which molecule is again related with gas A and which one is again with gas B. Clear? So therefore here one new parameter is required to explain, and that is nothing but it is known as entropy. तब हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे डेफिनेशन एंड एग्जांपल ऑफ एंट्रोपी. तो एंट्रोपी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ S. एंट्रोपी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ S. S मतलब डिग्री ऑफ रैंडमनेस. क्लियर हुआ? तो नाउ इट इज मेजर ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ रैंडमनेस और disorder in the system. The greater the disorder in an isolated system, the higher is the entropy. As far as chemical reaction is concerned, this S change can be attributed to rearrangement of atom or ion from one pattern in the reactant to another one. Here we can see the degree of randomness will be there. Now if the structure of the product is very much disordered, then that of the reactant, there will be resultant increase in entropy. There will be the resultant increase in entropy. It means if randomness will be more, the entropy will be more here. Clear? Now change in entropy. Here change in entropy accompanying a chemical reaction may be estimated qualitatively by a consideration of the structure of the species taking part in the reaction. Clear? The decrease of regularity in structure would mean increase in entropy. For a given substance, the crystalline solid, तो crystalline का मतलब होता है water soluble. For a given substance, the crystalline solid state is state of lowest entropy. Here means most order will be there. The gaseous state is the state of highest entropy. You know, in case of physical states of matter, three different type of states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. But in gaseous condition, amount of entropy will be maximum. मतलब इस पैराग्राफ में आपको क्या करना है, जो नहीं दो बॉक्स वाला था गैस ए गैस बी, फिर उसी से एक नया टर्म आया एंट्रोपी. एंट्रोपी इज नथिंग बट इट इज डिग्री ऑफ रैंडमनेस. क्लियर? तो नाउ इन सेम टॉपिक वी विल डिस्कस क्वांटिफिकेशन ऑफ एंट्रोपी. क्वांटिफिकेशन मतलब मेजरमेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर. तो सी वन वे टू कैलकुलेट डिग्री ऑफ डिसऑर्डर or chaotic distribution of energy among molecule would be through statistical method. Here we can say that statistical method which is beyond the scope of this treatment. The other way would be to relate this process to the heat involved. Here we can say that heat involved in a process which would make entropy a thermodynamic concept. Clear? In this way we can say that देखो अभी solid liquid gas है, तो गैस कब आएगा? तो whenever physical states of matter is again or whenever we are heating any material. Clear? Then and then solid is converted to liquid and liquid may be converted into gas. So now here entropy, like any other thermodynamic property such as internal energy, it means U, enthalpy H is again state function and delta S is independent of path. Delta का मतलब होता है change. तो जैसे एंथैल्पी है, उसके बाद इंटरनल एनर्जी है, स्टेट फंक्शन, वैसे ही एंट्रोपी भी है. क्लियर? तो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस हियर मेजरमेंट ऑफ डेल्टा एस एंड क्यू. तो हाउ वी कैन मेजर दिस डेल्टा एस एंड देन आफ्टर क्यू. तो सी whenever heat is added to the system, किसी भी सिस्टम में, it increases molecular motion causing increased randomness in the system. Thus Q has randomizing influence on the system. मतलब किसी भी सिस्टम में आप हीट अप्लाई करते हो तो ये randomization will be again means increases. Clear? So now experience suggests us that distribution of heat also depends on the temperature at which heat is added to the system. आप ऐसा बोल सकते हो कि ये see whenever we are heating any material, तो what will happen? Whenever we are heating any material, then distance between two atoms will increases, and due to increase in distance, here what will happen? The entropy will again means increases. Correct? Now this is C, entropy वाला topic. Clear? Thus we can say that temperature, with the help of temperature we can find out change in entropy. Clear? So thus temperature is the measure of average chaotic motion of particle in the system. The heat added to a system at lower temperature causes greater randomness. Then when the same quantity of heat is added to it at higher temperature, so this suggests that delta S is inversely proportional to temperature. It means if temperature will increases, here change in entropy will again we can say that increase. Clear? So delta S is related with Q and T for a reversible reaction. In this way, delta S is equal to Q reversible upon T is there. Clear? Now total entropy change, that is delta S total, for the system and surrounding, ये system and surrounding है, of a spontaneous process is given by the delta S total is equal to delta S system plus surrounding, and here we can say that greater than 0 will be there. Clear? Delta S total is equal to delta S system plus surrounding greater than 0. Clear? So when a system in equilibrium, the entropy is maximum. When a system is again in equilibrium, the entropy is maximum, and change in entropy delta S will be 0. In which condition? So whenever system is again in equilibrium. Clear? So we can say that entropy for a spontaneous process increases till it reaches maximum, and at equilibrium the change in entropy will be 0. Since entropy is a state property, we can calculate the delta S of reversible process by the delta S system is equal to Q system upon temperature will be there. Clear? So this is formula. Now we know that under isothermal condition, change in entropy will be 0, but delta S total different from 0 for irreversible process. The delta U does not discriminate between reversible and irreversible process, whereas delta S does. Clear? Again I am repeating, we know that under isothermal condition, isothermal temperature will remain same, so delta U is equal to 0, but delta S total different from 0. So what is delta S total? So delta S system plus surrounding is there. Clear? Thus delta U does not discriminate between reversible and irreversible process while delta S does is there. Clear? तो इसके ऊपर से न्यूमेरिकल आएगा. समझ में आया कि नहीं?